Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
BMW reported the strongest sales among Germany's top 3 premium car makers and was the only brand to significantly boost battery electric deliveries as Mercedes-Benz and Porsche struggled with low demand, especially in EV segment. European shares advanced amid broad-based gains and upbeat corporate updates, while investors digested more comments from US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's second day of testimony. In a long-awaited move, Mt. Gox, the infamous Bitcoin exchange that collapsed in 2014, has finally started repaying its creditors. This resolution to one of crypto's most notorious scandals is not just a closing chapter to one of Bitcoin's darkest hours, but is also actively shaping the asset's market dynamics in real time.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's gross domestic product will be released at 6 GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 1 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices will be released at 6 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.